Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your family album app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on settings down here, so you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you come here to change all visibility here. Then here you will find here change to album admins only, just click on it. So then you click here on change, then here automatically it's going to change with you here. When you click on change again on visibility, it's going to change with you to album admins only here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.